Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we are doing an unboxing. Really quick unboxing for this adorable toy I came across at Target. I always wanted one of these, and it's just, as you can see, plain magic ball. Ask a question, turn over for the answers. Try me. It's by Mattel. Very reminiscent of Miss Barbie. Same company that makes Barbie. As you can see, shake it and you have an answer. Ask questions, turn over for the answer. 20 answers and 20 responses. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I hope you'll stick around and we will be right back. She's really tucked in there and there was a lot of tape. Now we just have to take this plastic portion off. We'll be right back. They really have her in there. More tape. So it's really, I get it so that it doesn't drop and it doesn't break, but it's a lot. All right, be right back. And there we have it. Release. Very pretty, very nice, very plasticky. And yeah. Let's think of a question. Let's see. I'm gonna think it internally. Really shake it. You can't read it. What does it say? Reply hazy. Try again. Well, okay. Well, it does prove that it does work. Yeah, I believe it was on sale. I think it was perhaps between $8 and $10. I was able to find it at my local Target, but this is also available, I think, on Amazon. And so that's it for now. We did a quick unboxing for the Magic 8 Ball. I hope you've enjoyed. Also, Happy New Year, if I didn't mention that in the intro. We are in 2024, y'all, so let's see how I can make grow this channel. But if you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share, leave us a comment down below. Did you like the unboxing? Is this something you would buy for your kids or just for yourself? I did it honestly for selfish purposes. I always wanted one when I was a child. So it was $10, nothing too crazy. There you go. But nonetheless, if you like us on this channel, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next haul, my next DIY, my next review, and also unboxing. Also, I still have a GoFundMe going on, and I will link that cause in the description box if you have a little bit of time and you can donate. I would largely appreciate it. Click on the link and I'll give you all the description of the cause, and also will help donate to this channel as well. So if you have a little bit of time today, there you have it. And I would be so eternally grateful. Nonetheless, please stay tuned and Happy New Year. Hope all of you are enjoying the start of this new year, and may this year be full of blessings, prosperity, love, and light. And until my next video, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl. All right.